Hey everybody, I'm Justin Bohn. Today, I'm here with Dad, and we're gonna be doing the arrow challenge. 6 different arrows. First one to what? 6 strikes is gonna win?
6 strikes is gonna win. We have 1 ball apiece. We're gonna start at the first arrow, work our way all the way into the 6th arrow.
Let's get right into it. So we got
It's a penny. Do you know how to flip it?
I can figure it out. Can't be that hard.
Jeez, give me the penny.
What, you want heads or tails?
I'm gonna do the flip and you call.
So I'll take heads. If it lands on heads, I go first. If it lands on tails, you go first.
There you go.
All right.
Heads it is.
Tails it is.
No, tails it is.
So you go first.
I go first?
Good luck, sir.
Yeah, good luck. Here we go. First one out of the gate.
Oh boy.
That really hooked.
So if that would have struck, would that have counted because you went Brooklyn?
No.
No? Okay, so
It
you have
has
to hit the pocket.
pocket.
All right. Noted. Just an FYI, he hasn't thrown a shot in about 15 minutes. So he's getting kind of old, so it might take him a couple shots. So I'm hoping that I can get out to a running start here, literally, and get one on the board.
He might be lucky if he hits the head pin.
Oh boy. Hey, I hit the head pin.
You did. I'm actually impressed that you hit the head pin. But just so that you know, that's not close.
No.
I'm gonna actually roll my hand back. I have to try a different hand position with the same ball to try to get it to the left side of the head pin, playing the first arrow.
Oh, it's got a chance.
Come on!
I'm safe.
This
I'm
game
safe.
is just not fair sometimes.
So as I'm gonna try and do the same thing that he did, I'm actually gonna take my fingers out of it a little bit more to try and back off the rev rate. And
I don't think he's gonna hit the right side of the head pin.
Thanks for the commentary. We don't need it.
Come on, you gotta be kidding me here. You are so lucky right now.
Oh, I know. So like this is definitely his wheelhouse because out of the 35 titles that he's won on tour, I would bet you 34 and a half of them were won playing this arrow. Woo! Yeah, yeah! This is gonna be the one that I struggle with. Hopefully I still have a chance to catch him when we get to the 6th one.
He may not get to the 2nd arrow.
You're right, I might not. I hope I do.
6.
Hey, it was on the other side of the head pin this time, so that's close.
You gotta hit it first.
Yeah, I know. So a little more than the last. All right, I got this. No worries. Oh God, that's not close.
We are playing the first arrow, not the 2nd arrow. Arrow number 2.
Oh, stay up. Oh my God, come on.
Yep, that would be Dad, 2. Justin, nothing.
Stop talking, please. Now, thank you. Maybe. Oh my God.
Oh, he's getting closer, Kimo Sabi. Oh, by the way, I'm on arrow number 3.
Oh God. I can't even say I have life because I'm 2 arrows behind him. Oh, good God.
That might have been a little bit left of the 3rd arrow, but you understand the pretense.
I can't change balls, right?
No?
That's against
no,
the
no,
rule.
no,
Oh,
no,
boy.
no, no, no.
Oh boy. Oh, I got one. All right. I'm off the first arrow.
Okay.
I'm off the first arrow, I got a chance.
Even though the last shot struck, I really didn't think it was over the third arrow. So I'm gonna actually play the third arrow again and make a better pass.
So he's gonna give me a bonus one. This is great. And he struck. Waste of my time.
Oh well.
You know, that's just a prime example of why he has 35 titles and I have 0. He's got a chance too. I got life. Life! Getting a nosebleed. Might need to get some tissues.
Not like that. One must roll a little better shot.
The bright side is, now I'm at a shot that I can throw normal speed, somewhat normal rev rate. He's in massive trouble.
Oh, that could be.
Oh my God.
Woohoo! That was like, bam! Did you see that shot?
Yeah.
Okay.
I saw it.
It's not bad, just so you know, you're still an arrow behind me.
Nosebleed.
Oh, no.
How does everyone strike?
Just so that you know, I didn't even throw a practice shot in there. So I don't need an adjustment off of that because that is arrow number 5.
Oh! Oh, why?
Yep, ball be right back. It's coming any second. And you'll be able to pick it up after I make this 6th arrow attempt.
Oh my God, that was so good.
Oh boy.
That was close.
Nope. I know it struck, but it wasn't good because it was Brooklyn or on the other side of the head pin. Has to be a good pocket strike.
And that was not.
No.
No, it was not. Comeback season. Don't call it a comeback yet. Don't call it a comeback yet.
Gotta get that ball to the right spot. Actually, to the left spot, not the right spot. Oh, now you're just hooking the lane.
You worried yet?
Am I worried?
I'm just saying. That is 3 out of 4, and now we're on the same arrow. Basically going shot for shot. That's all I'm saying.
All right. Oh, boy.
Wasn't even close. Oh, boy. All right, so where am I at? 30? All right. Oh, that was close. Oh, and he got it.
Now, what were you saying? Because the way I understand it, the way I see it, that is a strike at all 6 arrows. So,
Nice job.
yeah, thank you.
That wasn't a handshake, that was a high five.
Good luck.
But nice job.
Whoops. You know, I'd really like to thank all my sponsors, but in a time like this, I want to thank my opponent, Justin, for laying down on me, for all of you camera guys for making me look gorgeous out here, and of course, this wonderful setting at 3 a.m. There's nothing better.
I got pretty close there, you know, made the comeback. You could have almost called me the comeback king, but I failed. I failed miserably. I threw it in the gutter when I needed to strike playing 6th arrow, and nobody throws in the gutter from 6th arrow. That's pretty hard to do. So to do that, I should quit. I need to no longer throw a bowling ball again. But it's fine because if I threw it good, I wouldn't be standing here today. But I threw it bad, so I'm the loser. That's gonna wrap this one up. Had a blast with this one. Unfortunately, I came out the loser in the end because I couldn't keep it on the lane.
Well, at least you gave it a try. You did make it close. You come all the way back, but you fell a little short. The only thing I'm gonna say, you got youth on your side. Work out a little harder, you will get there.
Yeah, I don't have 35 titles or in the PBA or USBC Hall of Fame. So yeah, we're gonna leave it at that. If you like what you guys saw, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment if you wanna see another challenge video in the future. We wanna do more of these in the future, so let us know what you guys wanna see. And for now, we're gonna wrap this one up. We'll see you next time. Peace.